547. It is week 8. You have made it. You are finishing up another course on your journey to becoming a master in whatever, educational technology, curriculum, instruction, whatever path you're going. So as always, I want to start off with a quote. I don't want to be a product of my environment. I want my environment to be a product of me. I love this quote, and I use it a lot because it gives us power that we get to control what we do and infect those around us in a positive way. And so just make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're leaving a place and you've put your stamp on it in a positive light. So our class is ending this Friday. So not Sunday, but Friday. So make sure you get the assignment in by Friday. Grades are due by Sunday, so you will know your grades by Sunday night. So in a minute, week 8 is really all about the brain compatible unit. So I'll get into that in a minute. Just know that I've really enjoyed the discussion post, and I've enjoyed learning alongside you. And you guys are all very talented, and your students and coworkers are very, very lucky to have you. So this week we have one chapter, Sousa, and it really is just a summary ending. It's only 19 pages, and for Sousa, that's a shorter chapter. And so flip lesson, planning guides, daily lessons, just a good summary of how to take what we've learned from him and how brain research works and how brains learn and how to put it within the educational situation. You only have one discussion post. Explain 2 topics we studied during our time together that was most helpful. What stood out to you? What pieces were particularly applicable to your own teaching? If you're implementing ideas, how's that going? And then when you plan to use these pieces, what do you see? What do you hope to see as a result? And so this week is a little different since we're ending on Friday. So make sure that your initial post is posted by Wednesday and your 2 peer responses are posted by Friday. So a little bit of an accelerated timeline because it is the last week. I'm going to go over just a little bit of the assignment, but know that you can, right here, watch this video. It's about a 5-minute video that goes into in-depth on the brain compatible unit. So I'll give a little tease here. I know I've talked about it a few times, but know that this video goes into great detail on every piece of it. But know that it's a signature assignment, meaning you have to get a passing grade on it in order to complete the program. As we scroll down, and it's going to tell you everything you need right here. And as always, you could take a minute. The rubric is a little bit longer. So it's, every criteria and what you need to get exceeds expectation. Cover sheet, whole and part, sense of meaning. It's the things we've been looking at every week for the previous 7 weeks. Modalities, memory strategies. So make sure you have all these pieces, and don't forget about the 1-page reflection. That's really important. And then, as always, everything APA and mechanics need to be tight. On this sheet, there are a couple examples right here. So you can click on those examples. 19 to 24 pages, somewhere in that range, is about how long they usually are. I hope that gives you, I'm not saying that's a hard, fast rule, but that's kind of in the range of where those assignments are. And so not a lot for me today for the announcement. Just know that you all have done a great job, and it's been really exciting seeing you interact with each other in the discussion posts. Have a great week and continue strong in your Concordia journey.